tutorial. It's your boy Deep Photos. You know how it is. Today I'll be showing you how to clean your image and use the Liquidfy tool. So I'd done a frequency separation on the skin already, so I'll just merge it down, Command E, Control E, and then run what's it called, a crop on the image, how I would like to crop it. I think around here is okay for me. Then just crop the image. So the first thing I'm going to do is to clean the background. As you can see, it's not so smooth. So all I need to do is come to my quick selection tool and then click on subject selection. So it's automatically randomly try to create the selection of the subject. So I'll just make the selection better by adding this area to the selection, and then Command J or Control J to duplicate it. Oh, sorry, Control Z. So I need to select the background, not the subject. So I'll Command Shift I or Control Shift I to select the background, and then Command J to duplicate the background. Then I'll click inside the layer that we just created. Now I just control and click inside to select back the background. Then come to my mixer brush tool. Yeah, the same setting as always, 30, and then yeah, and then just go to the background and just try to smoothen it out. Just paint on the background until you get a clean background. Yeah, so that's how I clean up the background. So I try to come closer so that you can get the selection and go well. So deselect it, Command D. As you can see, before and after, the background looks clean. So the next step is I'll just merge it back down. Just Command E and then it merge down to the layer below it. Then I'll need to clean up this part. So I'll just use my spot healing brush to clean this part. Clean. Just don't worry, you don't have to do it well because we'll still use the mixer brush tool to smoothen out the part. So after using the healing brush, I'll go back to my mixer brush tool. Then I just start painting inside. I think we'll have a better looking image now. Take out this chair, the handle of the chair, so I can just create a new duplicate layer. Just drag and drop it on this icon and then it duplicates it, or you just Command J or Control J and then pick on my spot healing tools. I love this spot healing tool. So I just make selection around there. And the chair, yeah, sometimes my good, sometimes my try multiple times to get nice results. Or you can just make selection, depends on what you take out. So after taking out the handle of the chair, the next thing I would like to do is to liquefy. Like you see where she's sitting, it's not looking good because of the material that she's putting on, the clothing she's putting on. So I want to fix that with the Liquidfy tool. So come to filter, and then under filter you pick on Liquidfy. So we come to Liquidfy using the first tool here, forward wipe tool. So what are you going to do? You just keep increasing and reducing the size of the brush, and then you try to make this part look smooth and leveled. So just gradual, don't need to do it too much. Just push it gradually, and then we'll come back to create a shape. So after fixing it that way, we'll now try to create a nice shape, curves. She has curves already, guys, so we're just trying to make it look better. So I'm trying to make her, she was sitting, but I'm trying to make her look as though she wasn't sitting, as though she stood, and then it was just yeah. So try to not to overdo it so that it looks good. So I can pull this down so it just looks like She was standing rather than sitting. So as you can see, yeah, I pulled this down and and then pull it back a little, just a little, and yeah, I think we're done with cleaning and using the Liquidfy tool. So basically that's how I use the Liquidfy tool to edit my images. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys in the next tutorial. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.